Hello everyone, my name is Amita Jennifer Eminada and we are Team Jovials from St. Katherine Secondary School, Lira. Urban residences in Uganda face a severe plastic waste management crisis, leading to environmental degradation, public health risks, and deadly floods. People lack public awareness on plastic management, recycling, and repurposing techniques. Each day, thousands of people carelessly dump plastics in the streets, increasing the pollution rate. According to the National Environment Management Authority 2023, Kampala generates 800,000 metric tons of plastics annually, of which 60% is uncollected, polluting streets and waterways. Only 15% is recycled, showing a massive gap in sustainable waste management, and 10% clogged drainage systems worsening floods. And due to that, on the 27th of March 2025, there was an intensive rainfall that triggered catastrophic floods, killing 22 people, including 10 children in the city, leaving people homeless and helpless in the streets. Unfortunately, the current waste infrastructure is very ineffective. There is lack of public awareness on how to recycle and creatively repurpose plastic wastes among the individuals. And most environmental and conscious individuals really want to help, but do not know the steps and solutions to undertake in order to fight the crisis. And without intervention, plastic pollution will escalate, leading to more deaths and a long-term environmental harm. And here we create EcoGenius. EcoGenius is a digital solution to Uganda's waste management crisis. It empowers individuals with knowledge and inspiration to recycle and creatively repurpose plastic waste in the environment.
EcoGenius gives recycling tutorials to users on how to recycle different plastic products, repurposing guide on transferring plastic waste into useful products, with short engaging videos showing the instructions and demonstrating repurposing techniques. It also gives accessible knowledge to bridge the gap in plastic waste management. EcoGenius gives waste sorting guides, recycling tutorials, new repurposing ideas, and a collection platform where users showcase their products.
The target market are the environmentally conscious individuals, students and young adults, creative individuals and hobbits. Her app is unique in a way that it incorporates educational content where it teaches users about recycling and repurposing plastics. I have also built an online community around sustainability and creativity by providing a space for users to showcase their creations. The people we plan to partner with are the Uganda Recycling Association, EcoBricks, National Environment Management Authority, and the United Nations Development Program. And they will help build relationships with local recycling organizations, educational institutions, and government agencies to expand the app's reach and impact. And our revenue sources are premium features, subscription, and partnership.
Our mission is to drive a tangible change in plastic waste management in Uganda by providing accessible knowledge and innovative repurposing solutions, turning pollution into a possibility.
We aim to empower individuals with inspiration and knowledge to recycle and creatively repurpose plastic waste, fostering a culture of environmental responsibility and innovation. EcoGenius also aims at building a vibrant community where people learn practical solutions to plastic waste and showcase their creatively made projects out of plastic and collectively contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable environment. By reducing unconnected waste and increasing the recycling rates, EcoGenius will minimize plastic clogged drains, reducing floods. It will cut pollution, protecting ecosystems and public health risks. Then it will create economic opportunities for all through upcycling. We as the Jovials aim to increase recycling rates by 30% in 2 years to come. Together, if one plastic is recycled at a time, we save a future, we save a generation, and we save a life. So together, let's all turn pollution into possibility.